guys, so on today's video I'm going to make a rice mix for our dogs because we're gonna be gone for 3 weeks. Next week we're going to Florida and we'll be gone for 3 weeks. So I need to make a rice mix for our dog food because since our dog don't eat dry food itself, so with the rice mix that I make, we mix this with their dry food in the morning, and also at their dinner time they mix this with their raw chicken and hot dog at night. So since we're gone for 3 weeks, I need to make a couple of this. So I have this rice here and I already made a bag here. So I have like 4 and I have like 19 on the freezer, so I have to make more. So far right now I just have a warm rice. The rice is still warm, so I'm gonna mix it with chicken, cream of chicken soup with Vienna sausage. I have some Vienna sausage here. I only put about maybe a can, just one can, and cut it very small pieces and just mixed it with. Then I add a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of oil just for flavor, you know, that way they like it. That's how they like it. That's why it's so hard when the dog doesn't want to eat dry food. They're so picky. Our dog is so picky. They got used to it, to their rice mix. So every time we go for a vacation, you know, we always make this and we leave it to our pet setter, because one of our friend will come and do a house setting for us, so we need to make sure they have, you know, food while we're gone. And also our bird, I think he'll be okay as long as water in his bowl has food in it. And also our bearded dragon, make sure the water is always clean. And we have, I think we're gonna order about 1,000 of crickets, and I think that will be good for 1 month. Okay, so let's go and make this rice mix. So we have this rice here, then we got the sauce from this, the liquid from this one. Here I cut the Vienna sausage, just small piece. So this one will just add flavor. Let's mix it first. That looks yummy, right? It looks like fried rice. Look like fried rice. You just made in cream and rice, and our dog loves it. They like it when we mix this with their dry food in the morning, and then at night time we usually just give them raw chicken. But I think the raw chicken and hot dog is not enough, so we mix with this, and they also like it. So we're just gonna stick to this one with our dogs. It's gonna be hard to feed them when we're gone for a long time. Okay, so that's one is done. See, it's already got the color up. I need to add a little bit of salt. Give them flavor, and a little bit of oil. Okay, the rice is not too dry. You can still smell the oil. Okay, let's try it with Noble. Okay, I have a thing here. It's already been used. This is the one I used a while ago to mix it. So okay, mix that one. Noble. Oh, here's Noble. See Noble Here, big doggy. Want to eat some? You like it, huh? You like this food? Okay. Just give it to. There you go, boy. Good boy. See. Yummy, huh? Say yummy, oh. Still want more. You like that one? Oh, you know, you make a mess. I need to clean that up. There's a dog, big boy. We have one Mastiff and Anatolian. Good boy. You like that. Just kind of messy. You eat it. You need to eat it in a bowl. Okay, Nobs, that's good for now. I'm gonna pack this, okay? Say bye. Our doggy will gonna love it. Yummy. Yeah, he's drooling. Okay, let's pack it. Just gonna put this one about 3 hands full. We'll do 3 hands full. 3.5. Phone is, my the camera is already almost low bat, so I'm gonna charge that. Okay. I got 2 bags. I'm gonna make 3 or 4. Okay, so I have a little bit left here. Need to make some more. Okay, Nobs, you're good. You'll eat it already. You can get some more. Need to make more rice. Okay. So I'm gonna reuse this one in a bit. Okay. So I have one bag here, so I just need to flatten it out, just like this one. Nice. Okay, so that's it for now, guys, and hope you enjoyed our video today, and see you on our next video. Bye bye.